So here we are at about 2 hours. It's nowhere near ready yet. On the far side here, I will rotate it around. It's starting to darken up here a little bit. That means this part's drying out. This one small spot is fairly dry. It must have been a shallow spot, but it's going to be hours yet before this is fruit leather. The bottom layer seems to be darkening up better all around the perimeter basically, but it could be that I have a thinner layer on this level than I had on the other level, but nonetheless this is only 2 hours. It's probably going to be another 6 hours at least, perhaps longer. So I will put the top back on, plug it back in, and we'll check it later. Alright, it's going to be done now. It was almost done when I went to bed last night, and so it's well done at this point. But as I mentioned, for fruit leather you really can't overdo it. And I wanted to show you actually, here's some fruit leather I made last year. It keeps just fine. This is close to a year old now. Tastes fantastic. You can see down here I got some stuff that's really green. That stuff is made from what's the word I'm looking for? A bunch of Swiss chard. A whole lot of Swiss chard. A little bit too much actually. It tastes really like Swiss chard. It was an experiment I was doing. Just trying to see if I could get the boys eating a very high percentage of that sort of thing. And no dice. This stuff though is still really good. This is raspberry stuff. Keeps really well. So now all you do is you take up one of the trays and you start peeling somewhere. You try to, here, let me zoom that out. Hold on. Yeah, so all you do is you take up the tray and you gotta try to get in somewhere. I see there's a little nick here. I might be able to get in there. And then once you get it started, it just peels off really easily. And you just tear it up, put it in whatever size chunks you want. There we go. That's all there is to it. Look at that. Some wonderful fruit leather. Yeah, it is actually a bit dry. So you can overdo it. I should have taken it out of there last night. It's still yummy, but it's a bit dry. No big deal. I'll make sure I don't overdo it next time. It's still really yummy though. Boys are going to love it.